So I'll be showing you how to show or hide notification icons in the status bar of your OnePlus 13. So simply go to Settings. Under Settings, go to Notifications and Quick Settings. Tap on that. And then you should see status bar. Tap on that. And then tap on Notification Icons. Now you can choose the icon style. So currently we have them enabled, and that's why you can see these icons here. Okay. So you can change that to number. So that will only show the total number of notifications in the status bar. This one will show the specific notification app icons. And if you want to hide, you can just tap on that, do not show. And as you can see, the notification icons disappear from the status bar, right? That's enabling. That's also enabling, but this one will only show the total number of notifications from all apps. This one hides. So you can actually see it clearly in the status bar at the top there. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.